Lego Dude 91101 here to show how to build a gunship engine. It's really simple actually. So I have the washer running behind me, so try to bear with me here. First, flip up that, of course. Take out the cockpit. Then you see those rectangle pieces there? Take those out. Hold on a minute. Alright, I got them out. See there? It's the engine. Totally ready to come out. First, just let me take all of it out here. Okay. It's really simple actually, like I said, there's only 5 pieces to this. Only 5. Okay. First you need a 4x2 flat piece. 2 engine pieces like this. Just stick them on there. And then you take it, this piece, push it all the way back to that piece with the circle and snap it in. Then take your yellow nub you have. Oh yeah, you need yellow nub and a pistol for this. And put that on the right hand side right there. See it? And then take your pistol, put it on like that, and then slide it so that the hose is over the yellow thing. And then put your pieces back on. Ta-da! Ta-da! Slide your slide your cockpit back in and slap it down. There you have your engine. Hope you have fun building it, and see you next time, and have fun building.